Rich's Performance Exhaust Center, burning up the competition. 2017 Dodge Charger RT with Rich's Race Demon Performance Exhaust. Aluminized material with smooth bends are shown. Stainless steel tubing and mandrel bends are also available. At Rich's, we're able to reinstall the active valves in your exhaust system to give you no drone. Pick the sound that you're after. Pick the tips that you want. Only at Rich's. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. To further optimize your vehicle, we have you covered with K&N, AFE, and Air Raid. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. See it and hear it at richesperformanceexhaust.com.